Tell Daddy when we get home what's in here. Tell him what animals are here. What's up in this? Well, what are those? They're fish. What's over here in the corner? There's bats hanging up in there. There's a crow who keeps saying, "Don't forget me." Where's the crow? Can you point him out? Right there. Crows are very smart. Did you know that? Yeah. Do you think he's reading the newspaper? Is he having a snack? No. Should we go over and get the turtles in our movie too? Where are the turtles? Let's go get them on the movie too. Can you, so we can show Daddy when we get home? And the frog. I think there's another turtle up there. Oh, he's hiding back there in the corner.
Why?
Maybe they're shy. Should we put the turtles in the movie too? Hi, turtles.